Yeah, I'm Luca Monti from Wind Tre. I'm responsible for the 5G and IoT project. We see in Alaian the possibility to exploit the boundaries of the new services, go beyond the core with the support and the possibility to exchange ideas, best practices, knowledge with other leading telco operators in Europe. Yeah, I expect that our contribution is to put new ideas, propose new business models, new ways of launching projects and bring value to the different functions within Wind Tre, spanning through technology, finance, HR, B2B, B2C. So touching the different functions, we see there might be value in terms of efficiency, operational cost reduction, and proposition of new business cases, business model, and new services at the very end. So this might be an opportunity also to scale up this initiative to a higher level, at a group level. We look forward to enrich our service proposition on both the enterprise or the B2B market and the B2C eventually. We see value in new technologies spanning from NFTs, for example, the 5G as a service enabler platform, providing speed, reduce latency, and this will enrich the service proposition on both B2B and B2C. But also the frontiers of the customer engagement, for example, for loyalty or services and apps, gaming application that can bring value to the operator of the future.
Alaian, disruptive telcos for disruptive startups.